Welcome to Lakshmi Academy. This is your friend Mahi. Today I am here with a nice topic which is very helpful to you to attain a good score in competitive examinations. Let's get into the class. Why should we learn reasoning? First of all, let me tell you what is reasoning. The action of thinking about something in a logical or sensible way. As we all know that reasoning aptitude helps in measuring the mental, verbal and numerical ability of an individual to evaluate his or her inborn skills and capacity for learning and acquiring new skills. It is vital testing segments of competitive examinations and recruitment processes. So everyone should know what is reasoning and what is the importance of the reasoning. Please don't skip the video for better understanding. Let's learn reasoning through some topics. Our first topic is series test. In the series test, there are three types of series included. Number one, number series. Second one, alphabet series. Number three, repeated letter series. I will explain you with some examples of each subtopic. If you see the screen, there are two questions regarding number series. Later we will know the alphabet series and repeated letter series. Let's discuss about the two questions now. In such type of questions, you have to find the logic behind the questions given. So now we discuss about the logics behind the questions given. Okay. So logics behind the question number one. See, the numbers given in the question are 22, 24, 28, something the number will be. We want to know 52 and 84. If you see the difference between the two numbers, see the arrows are locating to the numbers or the difference. It's 2, 4. And what we have to find is the next number. If you observe, it is like 2 power 1, 2 power 2, that is 2 square, and the next will be 2 cube, and the next 2 power 4, and the next will be 2 power 5. Here the logic is 2 power n. So the difference between the numbers is differ by the logic, 2 power n. So the next number after 28 must be differed by 2 cube, and before 52 by 2 power 4. Hence the required number is 36. Now, if you see the second question, the numbers given are 4, 12, 36, 108, and the next number we have to find. If you see, the next number is given if we multiply the previous number with 3, that is 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 3, 108. So we have to multiply 108 with the number 3 again. So the next number after 108 is 108 into 3, that is 324. I think you guys get that. Let's move to the next series. So the series is alphabet series. If you see the screen, there are two questions displaying regarding alphabet series. First, observe the questions and I will tell you the logic behind the questions. Logic behind the question number 1. If you see, the letters given in the question are A, G, B, H, C, I, D, the letter we want, and E. See the red marking arrows. If you observe the red marking arrows, they are in series. See A, B, C, D, E. If you observe the yellow marking arrows, they are also in series, or they should be in series. G, H, I. The required letter should be J. Okay. Or if you doesn't find the logic, first you should give the numbering to each letter. If you start the counting of letters from A, so that is A1, B2 and so on like that. So you can find the logic behind the question given is so easy. Now let's discuss about the logic behind the question 2. Here I am counting the alphabets from Z onwards. That is Z equal to 1, Y equal to 2, X equal to 3 and so on. So if you observe the question, the letters in the given question is Z, U, Q and the letter we will have to find and L. As I already said, I am counting the letters from Z. So I am giving the numbering from Z, that is Z is 1, U 6, Q 10. the required letter we have to find, and L15. Now, if you see the difference between the two numbers, see the difference between U and Z, that is 6 and 1 is 5, and Q and U, 10 minus 6 is 4, and the next letter we have to find. If you see this, the numbers are in the decreasing order, 5, 4, 3, 2, like that. So for the required letter, we have to add 3 to the previous number allocated for Q. So 10 plus 3 equal to 13. The letter which is in the 13th place is N. So these are the logics behind the questions in the alphabet series. Let's move to the next series. This is repeated letter series. Please observe the question for a while. For this type of series, you have to remember these points. For finding the letter, you should have to check the letters before and after the blank. That is the answer we want. The important point is you can find your answer in the question given. And if you got one or two letters of the answer, it's better to go through option verification. It will reduce your time to find the answer easily. If you see the first question here, the blank is in the first place. So it is preferable to move to the next blank. So if you see the letters before and after the blank, they are started with N and end with M. If you see the previous word N, M, M, N, so there the word behind N, M is M. So you think the letter is M, but it's wrong. So it is easy to go through option verification. If you put the first option, the series is different, and for that, for the second option. So if you put the third option N N M M in the blanks, the answer is N N M M N N M M N N M M N N M M. So the series is going on, right? This is the right answer. That is, if you find difficulty to find an answer, please go through the option verification. This is the way to proceed to attempt the question in the less time. Let's do the same method for the second question. I'm directly putting the second option in the answers. So see the series B A B C. Next B A B C, B A B C. So the series on going on, right? This type of series is also very easy if you find the logic behind it. I think you guys get the logic behind the questions, whatever I display here. I'm providing you some questions on series test. The link is in the description. This test is for your self-assessment. Please go and check it out in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the best for your test. Comment your score in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lakshmi Academy. I'll be back with a new exciting topic in the next videos. Thank you.